Journey continues. Dias's two ships sailed off the coast of South Africa in January of 1488 and storms blew them away from the coast. Dias is thought to have ordered a turn to the south because he had prior knowledge about the southeasterly winds that would take him around the tip of Africa. This would also prevent the ships from crashing into the notoriously rocky shoreline. A 1460 map from Venice helped because it showed the Indian Ocean was on the other side of Africa. This decision was risky, but successful. The crew spotted landfall on February 4, 1488 about 300 miles east of present-day Cape of Good Hope. They found a bay they named Salbras, now Mossel Bay, in the much warmer waters of the Indian Ocean. Encountering natives. The indigenous Khoikhoi people pelted Dias's ship with stones until someone on the ship shot an arrow and hit a tribesman. Dias continued to explore the coastline, but his crew became nervous about their dwindling food supply and urged him to turn back. Dias was worried the crew would mutiny, so he appointed a council to make a decision. The members came to an agreement permitting Dias to sail 3 more days, and then turn back. The crew planted a Pedro Padrão on March 12, 1488, which at that point was the most eastern Portuguese explorers had traveled. Return journey. On the journey back, Dias observed the southernmost point of Africa, later called Cabo das Agulhas, or Cape of Needles. He named the rocky second cape Cabo das Tormentas, or Cape of Storms, for the tempestuous storms and strong Atlantic-Antarctic currents that made ship travel so perilous in the area. When Dias and his crew returned to Angra do Salto, they were appalled to find that only 3 of the 9 men left to guard the food ship had survived repeated attacks by the locals. The 7th man died on the journey back home to Portugal. In Lisbon, the mariners were met with crowds after their 15 months at sea and journey of nearly 16,000 miles. The king ordered maps to be labeled with the places named by Dias.